About 3 weeks ago, I made a video on how to fill out the application to get your level 2 certification through American Society for Non-Destructive Testing for visual testing. And I filled mine out 3 weeks ago, and I just looked in the mail and I got my certifications. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It comes in the mail and it takes like 3 weeks to get the certification. And this is if you're already a CWI or a senior certified welding inspector. The only thing you have to do is fill out the application, pay the $200. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like. And if you want to see that video I made about 3 weeks ago, look in the drop down or click on the card at the end of this video. But this is what the certification looks like. As you can see, I got my level 2 VT. So this is good to have a certification, something you could put on your wall or have another cert you could put in your wallet. So if you're already a current CWI or a senior certified welding inspector, just pay your $200 and get your certification. I used an app to take this picture. I'm gonna get a new picture done. This app didn't work good, so I'm gonna send them another picture in to get a new card. But it also give you this little certificate here, and you could put it in a plaque and hang it in your office or on your wall, anywhere you want to put it. And this is some more information that come in the package, how you do your renewal and the cost and everything. So I'm gonna show you what it would look like once you put it in your plaque. And this is a nice looking certificate, so you can hang it in your office or in your classroom. Thanks for watching.